Hello, dear valued user! In this tutorial, we bring you the complete disassembly and replacement guide for the front and rear tires of the C22 model. Before we officially start the operation, please prepare 3 items first. A. Niju each meter, emergency and air inflator, and the multi-purpose toolkit we included with your vehicle upon purchase. Of course, if you have more handy and suitable tools on hand, it's totally fine to use your own. Thank you for watching our tutorial. For your own safety and the safety of others around you, after completing the component replacement, please perform regular inspections of all screws, nuts, and related fasteners and fittings to ensure they are properly secured.